Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. In this video, I will be counting down my top 10 latest popular Chinese dramas with highest rankings. Are you guys also binge watching the C drama You Are My Glory? Yeah, that's a nice one. Recently, China TV series competition is getting fierce because there are so many superb, well prepared brand new dramas available to stream almost at the same time. It is tough for us to choose which one we are gonna watch tonight. If you guys have the same problem, just don't worry. You can watch all of them. I have compiled the list down here. Just thank me later. Check the description box for more information and do comment below that which drama list you want to watch next. Now give this video a like and let's get to it. Number 10. Love Scenery. Liang Chen is devoted to bringing good music works to the listeners, expressing the idea of being kind, real, and perfect. Losing, on the other hand, loves computer and big data research. He is highly recognized in academic field through studying complicated human behavior and then psychology, thus influencing the classmates around by his solid specialty literacy. They are strangers at first, but then brought together by big data, and they become closer in the journey of pursuing their dreams. Number 9. Crush. Sang Woo Yan, a college senior, dreams of becoming a broadcaster. She works as an assistant at a radio station and likes a mysterious songwriter with the name Izin. She fell in love at first sight after a chance meeting with Shun Yan Xian and later discovers that he is visually impaired. Layer by layer, Sang Woo Yan peels off Shun Yan Xian's elusive, arrogant, and indifferent self due to his broken family. She then learns that he was in fact the talented Izin. Their interactions lead to a sweeping romance, but the couple find themselves in a tug of war between their hard-earned happiness and a fear of loss. Mounting pressure eventually leads to a breakup. 3 years later, the two people who have gone down different paths meet again and their love quickly rekindled. Number 8. The Day of Becoming You. The leader of a boy band and an entertainment reporter are forced into many outrageous situations after they switched bodies. Zhang Yi is a big star in the entertainment industry. He is the cold and distant leader of a popular boy band, but in reality, he is simply not good at expressing himself ever since his parents divorced when he was young. Meanwhile, Yu Xingxing has become an entertainment reporter who keeps running up against a stone wall at work. Their lives were not meant to intersect, but an accident results in the two exchanging bodies on their birthday, which happens to fall on the same day. The sudden change catches them off guard, and with only each other to turn to for support in the days and nights that followed, Zhang Yi and Yu Shengsheng gradually fall in love. Number 7. My Little Happiness. Kong Rong has long dreamed of becoming a lawyer, but her mother is absolutely determined to see her daughter study finance abroad. Hoping that her daughter will successfully settle down somewhere overseas, Kong Rong's mother won't take a no for an answer. Unable to convince her mother to let her pursue her dreams, Kong Rong has no choice but to do as her mother wishes, or does she? After successfully convincing her mother that she has set off for distant lands, Kong Rong secretly returns home to begin work as a legal intern. Taking on her first case, Kong Rong comes face to face with her childhood friend, Wen Shaoxing. Now a surgeon, Shaoxing isn't just Kong Rong's client, he is also her landlord and next door neighbor. Tied together by the ever-tightening strings of fate, Kong Rong and Shaoxing find themselves drawing closer despite their best efforts. Engaged in a never-ending battle of wits, the childhood friends may fight against the ties that bind them, but how long will they be able to resist the inevitable? Number 6. Ancient Love Poetry. It follows Sango, once a leader of the Four Immortals, who falls into a deep sleep after sacrificing herself in a trial that lasted 60,000 years. Sangu wakes up many years later, and memories of what happened 300 years ago were completely wiped. But her former lover, Bai Zoe, never forget about her. Sacrificing his reincarnation for her life, he waited for her for 60,000 years. Even when his soul disappears, Sangu will wait for him forever. Number 5. You Are My Glory. A story that follows an aerospace engineer Yutu and the shining star Xiao Jingxing. A decision to start gaming in order to save her endorsement deal brings her face to face with an old crush. As they grow closer, the two forge ahead to become each other's glory. Being a well-known celebrity, Xiao Xingxing has to keep up appearances to maintain her multifaceted image. Alas, one starts to crack when someone leaks a video of her playing an online game and being just terrible at it, which is completely inconsistent with the image she has created for herself as the game's ambassador. Thus, she joins a gaming competition to prove her skills and to prevent herself from losing her endorsements. Xiao Xingxing decides to use all her free times towards improving her game, and her decision leads to reconnect with her old high school classmate Yuto, whom she once had a crush on. He was a legend at their school, outstanding in everything that he does, while Xiao Xingxing was just your average girl. Yuto has gone on to become an aerospace engineer who is also an expert gamer. It seems that the online game has brought them together once more, so she asks him to become her gaming coach. Number 4. The Imperial Coroner. Young girl Chuchu came from a family of coroners. She meets Prince Xiaojinyu, a dignified prince in charge of criminal lawsuit, who appeared weak and sickly. Prince Xiao lacks reliable manpower to investigate case, while Chuchu lacks people to set up, take charge and be a man. Together they manage to unravel a shocking case that has dragged on for 18 years. After solving the case, she won the Imperial's approval and is finally certified as the Imperial Coroner, fulfilling her life goal. Number 3. You Are My Hero. As a new resident at the bustling Metropolitan Hospital, Mika's life is far from boring. With a steady stream of patients to see and a variety of training exercises to complete, Mika has little time for anything other than her work. But she doesn't mind. The chance to help people and save lives is all she has ever wanted, and she is all happy that she has finally found a way to make that dream of her become true. Ever want to volunteer when a new opportunity to help others arises? Mika joins a joint emergency rescue training exercise between the hospital and the police SWAT team, a decision that will change her life forever. When a deadly earthquake shakes the very foundations of the world, Mika is a part of the team ordered to the epicenter of the quake to help with rescue operations, joined by a team of military personnel including Singh Kelly, a special ops agent who first met Mika through a series of misunderstandings that left them both with a less than favorable impression of each other. Mika and her medical team set out on a mission fraught with danger. Despite their initial misgivings, Singeli and Mika have no choice but to put aside their differences to help those hit hardest by the recent earthquake. Working side by side, their feeling towards each other actually begin to soften as they observe how tirelessly each works to save lives. When the nation in which they are working is thrown into turmoil, Mika and the rest of the medical team find themselves in a very real danger. Putting his life on the line, Sinkele is determined to come to their rescue. But will he be able to get to them in time? Number 2. The Long Ballad. The year is 626 CE and the realm and its political center Chang'an are second to its core by the Xuanwu Gate incident, a successful palace coup to take charge of the Tang dynasty. A scheming prince leads the blood coup and kills the family of Li Changyi during the raid, although she manages to escape. Now the prince has placed himself on the imperial throne and rules as Emperor Taizong. Li Changyi has her mind firmly set on revenge and musters a powerful army intent on overthrowing the new emperor. But her plans are thrown into disarray when she suffers an unexpected defeat against the armies of Eastern Turki Khanate. The victorious general Asina Sun decides to keep her in his service, making her his military strategist as he looks to pursue his own military goals. The duo forms a formidable military partnership, and over time, she finds herself falling for her captor, and he also starts developing feelings for her. Number 1. Falling into your smile. Student Tong Yao makes two vows: to never be in a relationship with someone in the same field and to make up for the Chinese League of Legends. When Tong Yao earns her spot as the first formal female player in the China's professional league, she catches the attention of an elite team captain. Facing doubts and inconveniences, she meets each challenge with her own persistence and her teammates' support. After much effort, what will become of her vows? Will she stand on the world stage to make up for the 6 years of regret? Will she avoid a romantic entanglement within the e-sport world? So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.